Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have decline, which is in the trans form, and you have epoxide. You are using thiosalt of phenyl, and you have to find what will be the final product. Here the problem lies in the stereochemistry. To understand the reaction, you should redraw the molecule in the chair form. Moreover, it is in the trans form. So trans decline you have to draw. It has two cyclohexane chair form. The methyl in the trans position, and you have epoxide above the plane. Epoxide needs syn bond, mean one axial, one equatorial. That is mandatory for cyclohexane. Then sulfur anion attacks. Sulfur is a nucleophile. It can attack two ways, but it need axial position for backside attack. So backside attack only possible below. So ring open, you have OH above, SPH below. So if you redraw nicely, you have the trans relationship to OH and SPH. The concept you have learned here is SN2 reaction require axial steric free positions. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.